Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel How to Know. Today I'm going to tell you about the best thing of the Gate.io for the trading. Okay, on the Gate.io, the best part is here, that is copy trading. By copy trading, you can copy any strategy of the best traders, which they are making huge profit and huge percentages are showing here. So there are lots of category over here. So we'll start. So please do like, subscribe, and share my channel. And if you want to be a part of the Gate.io, please use link given in description to sign up and get 10% bonus. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to log in the Gate.io account using username password. After logging, you can see here some option are shown. Then just you have to click on the copy trading. Here you can find copy trading. After the clicking on the copy trading, a page will be open where some strategy will be shown. So you can see here general strategies, then top gainers, most copied, and ranking top 10 copy tradings. Okay, you can copy each and everything. Let's understand how we can copy their trading skills and make use money by their strategy. So first of all, you can see here a bubble bonk strategy is here, so that you can see here it is making 180% profit, and any is making 123% profit, and same a user is making 700.87 profit. Okay, you can see here, like if I'm clicking here, the page will be open. This is here the Meta Eric Kamek. Okay, this is a user, and he had invested around 3,259 USDT. Okay, after investing this amount, total return he gains 3,965. Okay, almost 122% profit. Okay, so the currency which this user is holding, which is Sandal 3 and Mana, and trades history 106. Total running time is 53 days, and you can see here the graph. If you want to see that how much he trades, then you have to click here, and just you can see here he bought like 1st January 2022, and at 2:23 p.m. and sell it same day 6:13. Okay, again he bought at 6:13. Like here you can see the size of the AMA and the Mana and Sandal 3. So let's go other user. If I'm going to here, you can see top gainers. You can find here top gainers. He is gaining currently 814%. This is a huge profit. Okay, this strategy is making huge profit, and 280 users are copied this strategy. Or you can see here 981 users already copied and making huge profit. So just you have to click over here to see detail. Like he had invested in around 100 USDT and earned total $693.394. Okay, and he is currently buying and selling the mana. Okay, then trade history you can see here. This strategy is running from 64 days. Okay, this history is running from 64 days, 8 hours. So if I want this strategy to make huge profit, so just I have to click only copy button. After clicking here, I can see here strategy name. Just I have to type strategy name, any kind of strategy name. Okay, this will be my strategy, and suppose my strategy type is starter. Okay, then you can see here minimum amount is here, so just I have to click here, and minimum 20 USDT should be there for the create a strategy. So in my account, I don't have 20. Actually, I have already invested all the USDT and other strategies. So just you have to click on the create. After creating, you can see here invalid parameter investment amount is low. So I have to enter here $20. Then after that click, I have to click in create. After clicking, the same strategy will start. Then if user A from which I am copying, he sells any of the coin, yours will be also share. And if he buying, then you will also buy. This is totally copy. If a user is buying, then you will also buy automatically. If a user sells, then you will also sell automatically. So here you can see more trading, like you say most copied trader, Peter Kudua. Then you have to click here and you can see the coins. Mostly he is using Santian contracts and he is marketing on ETH USDT. Okay, so just he is selling ETS. Ethereum is buying and selling, Ethereum buying and selling. So you can also copy this strategy. So if you are like this thing, please do like, subscribe my channel. Okay, and for the more, please subscribe it and please share. If you want to be a part of Greater.io, please click on the link given in the description box and be a part of Greater.io and get 10% sign up bonus. Thanks all. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.